Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
How are you, madam?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, sir?
Fantastic. Would you care to share the joke?
No, sir. I was just, I had an apple in my throat and it sounded like I was laughing, but I was actually choking.
You must be joking.
No,
right
no.
now.
Choking.
Okay.
I'm so sorry about that. It's so unprofessional of me. How can I help you today?
Yeah, look, I mean... Go here.
Well
Back
aware.
at it again.
Yes, thanks.
I'm sure Tali Tandima.
That's right.
One half of Sibling Rivalry.
That's correct.
Thank you, Talita, so much. And with that, we'll get straight into the show.
Oh, okay, perfect. Well, thanks for the call.
Okay, then.
Glad to be of service. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Why do you call into this place when...
I don't know.
Maybe you should start figuring out why.
And it's always different reasons every week.
Exactly. Welcome, guys, to the Bling Line. If it's your first time here, you're very welcome. If you've never been featured on the Bling Line and you've written a comment, keep writing the comments.
There we go. You know, at the end of the day, itemba alibulali. But liyadanisa. Bona mhlambi baninzi ejele othemba, but lona yayiva
Liyajaya.
liyadanisa. Lenza amagumba.
Intoni amagumba?
Sonke. Come on, man. Are you mali?
Yeah, I figured in the context of what the guy is saying, in the way man.
I-remix ka langoma ka Big Zulu. Funa uba nemali.
Funa amagumba.
It's just in another African language.
Not an African language. Guys, if it's your first time here, this is a show where we read your comments and we comment on them. And so we'll get straight into it.
Let's go.
Imange. Uti, for the 100th episode, I have a huge
Hear me out.
ask. Hear me out. Do you guys remember back at episode 20 when you did that cute dress up thing? It was episode 20.
Ah, yeah.
That's so crazy.
What?
Let's celebrate our 20 episodes. That's crazy. Please, I beg, can we get something like that for episode 100? I think that will be it up, melting face. Also, Tamzupela is actually right about drugs being laced. My first encounter with marijuana was in a muffin.
Oh, Sanaram, you and the rest of us in South Africa.
A friend offered me one, kanti. It was laced. Yeah, that's not cute. It did me bad. And for some reason, I wanted a rematch. Oh.
It's exactly Landomendi dead.
Did I not go and recruit abanye abantwana to experiments with me?
Oh, son of Kohlakele.
Luckily, none of us got addicted because honestly, the only drug worth getting hooked on is love.
Hey, mange. I said it all, paragraph.
Get it? Don't get it? We get it, babes. Thank you so much. I can't do it. And then he goes forth to say, I can't do it. Side note, can I please be taught how to apologize without over-explaining where I was coming from or how I meant it?
Whoa!
Because wow. Oh, wow. Sorry. Was on a TED Talk.
Yours tetelela. Was on a TED Talk. Yours tetelela.
This is the thing. If you're saying sorry to me and you're explaining paragraphs on paragraphs, I'm just like, are you sorry? Or you just here to explain yourself? Oh, what?
Oh, mange, it's a skill. Lando, where you have to switch off your mind. Total. And just accept a lot of what the other person has. Oh, ibhlungu. Ibhlungu. I know, trust me. Dayazi, ibangathi suka indawo.
Not a part of the body.
It's painful. Especially when
you didn't intend to hurt.
You didn't intend to hurt.
Yeah.
And it's this, you
are completely misconstrued.
Absolutely. And I think maybe if I was going to be asked to give my 2 cents in terms of advice on that, completely switch yourself off. Uthathe lento ithethwa ngulo mntu.
Yes. That's the important thing.
And then, because at that point, it's not about being right. It's not about anything else more than then it's the question of, is the relationship more important than being right? I'm not saying, Uguti, you need to kind of agree to something, but it's to literally put yourself in the other person's shoes. And also bear in mind about hurt. Into eyenzwe. Whether or not ubufuna or kwaza kwathini, but uhurt lo mntu lowo. And what we need to focus on is the hurt, not the reason.
No, for sure. For sure.
Yo, uthandaza bana inenhliziyo enhle lo mntu lowo. Akazobe because nabanye abantu, guys, we all have duties, man. The forgiver and the forgivee
both have duties.
Both have a massive duty.
If I come to you with an apology, a sincere apology, you have a duty to forgive me. I'm sincere.
No.
When do you forgive me?
I wouldn't say you have a duty to forgive me, but you have a duty to not.
Oh yes, for sure. Yeah.
That's
not make me feel worse.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. I absolutely.
Okay.
Because forgive, well, not you saying to forgive now. Anyway,
let's keep going with this TED Talk. TED Talk. Now, about this whole andiko ready thing, I think most of us use it as a safe hiding spot. If I say I'm ready, then I actually have to deliver. But if I say I'm not ready, I can chill in my bubble of potential. Potential is comfortable. It's like being on the bench, but still telling people you could have scored if the coach played you.
Yeah.
This is really good. You did well. Also, there was more, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, also say a lot with manga, but also all valid stuff. And I think, yeah, it's a safe hiding spot up until you realize that it's not.
For sure.
Because of course safe now.
Exactly, from yourself.
Correct.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's like zimele ngumcinga.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We can
just
see
because you can't see what's on the other side.
Uvelile,
in fact. So yeah, I like that so much. And yeah, I think the second part of this comment, Leo over-explainer. I don't know if we've spoken about it before, but I don't know. There's a term that's called mansplaining. I till today don't have a clue what it is.
It's a man explaining into a symbol.
Oh, okay.
It's like, of course I know that. Why would you explain that to me?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, so it's not over-explaining something.
No. Indoda ecinga ba yena yazi more. So ezinye izinto awuzazi. So izoku-explainela ba how do you cross the road? Why do you have to look left and right?
So mansplainer nje ubuzwe ngubani?
Exactly. And ababuzwanga. Abantu ama-mansplainayo never get asked.
Okay. So that can also be a thing to look at when I'm trying to see if you're mansplainer or not.
Yes, but ubuziwe.
Is it something that men only do to women or to other men?
No, it's only termed as mansplaining when it's being done to a woman.
Not being done by a man.
Being done by a man, yes, to a woman. Not being done by a man to a man.
I can't mansplain to my friend. You can't mansplain to me. So one-sided. No. It's a toxic term.
Yes, for toxic behavior.
Masiek. Masiek is an alarm.
Thank you so much for that.
It's never lost to be associated in English show. God, it's about you guys. Uhlengi wenyundu uti. My excuse for not going to the gym is that I'm not ready. Uyasheka nawe ndiyayithanda loo nto leyo. Manje, I must be honest with myself. Am I willing? Aha. That is the question. Libalo to be or not to be. What? Asazi about thina zanto eza. Then I understand him now.
That is the question.
That's the question.
Am I willing? You know what though?
Yeah.
You know what about going to the gym specifically is that you are never really ready. No matter how, you're never ready. Especially when you're starting.
Because you can never be ready.
Yeah, exactly. So ready is not the question. You are willing because you know what the outcome is going to be. Therefore, you are willing
participant.
Yeah,
sure.
100%.
Okay.
And so sometimes your willingness, you know, you are less willing. Okay, you know, on other days.
I'm not willing.
Yeah, I'm not willing. Yeah. But wamba muzing ba efonin nzama menifika kule ndawo, and then your willingness inyuke.
100%.
So it's an up and down.
So what are you saying? People say I'm not ready. It's only but they're not willing. Oh.
Yeah, because you're never ready.
I like that.
Yeah. It's like having a child. You're never ready for a kid.
It's either you are willing or not willing to do the work.
100%. But you can read as many books. You can be an auntie to as many kids. You can but you'll never be ready for when it comes to you and it's your child. But you are just willing to see it through. Yeah. You're willing to change. You're not being lammed who you were before the kid. You're willing to learn new things from this kid. You're willing to do a whole lot of other things that you were never tasked to do before you had this child.
Correct. That you never had to do before you accepted this thing.
Yeah.
Wow. I like that.
Sitaba, uti, my favorite show is on. Guys, can I ask if what does anyone is share our studio?
Studio. Mama babukela content. Abanye abantu.
Studio. Or do you have to put them in your cars? You could get nazo after every episode.
Sake sayiqala ke londo leyo xa sayibona ba hey.
Ayizusipana. We did it once literally.
Mfowethu uqomisa uqasuka lento kanithatha ndigcine isikhewu. Because igqobhokile. And you know how things into zamashwa. Uba ivele igqobhoka phezinyweni. Now what must happen? So hey, zihlala phe studio phone ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu because mina personally engasuke ndishinge pha endlini. Manje ndizibona. So it's a very contentious issue.
Well, because I really love mine. Nam ndifuna ujingisa.
So yeah, so
mhlambi senzelele ezinye yabo sizokwazi ezinye sihlale endlini yaqonda Chomi ezinye sihlale studio.
Yeah, but to answer your question, I sisheka up a studio sana. Sihleke into engaziwa mntu because ke sincumile ngohlobo.
Sihlale kitchen.
Thank you for that, Sitaba. That's such an honest question. Like
I know, but also how do you think of something like that? I wonder
and we'll take it you like the picture, so
we'll take that.
Upitili uti, I feel like I had said I am not ready for certain things. Ubomi bam would
color pants.
I feel like
had I said
yes. Wow. I feel like had I said I'm not ready for certain things, ubomi bam would probably be so different. Or maybe not. Ezinye izinto I did ndingekho ready for zona. Life-changing decisions, for example, moving to another province and everything that followed after, good and bad. Had I set myself down, ndazibuza, are you ready for lento ucinga ufuna uyenza? my answer would have been a solid no. Ezinye itralala zobomi would have missed me for sure. But ke ndilapha ngamaphiko every day like a champ.
Like a champ. And this is
Top
the
G.
whole thing, bro, because especially something like moving, you'll never know by izobanjani for you. You'll never know. Nini.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, watch on a Lauryn Hill.
Oh, what in chum?
Are you ready or not?
Oh, Imlora.
Here I come. You understand? Yena wayengazolinda nina nibe ready. Waye ready.
Yena.
Ni ready ningeko ready.
Uyeza yena.
Cha. Zaye ngafikanga zaye kalelekile. Yeah, very interesting because you just, and I think also the nice thing about life is that you don't get to see a movie of how it would have turned out if you had a different choice, or if you know what I mean, which I think is also kind of like a blessing in disguise because
absolutely, because then you watch the after movie and you're like, oh man, I made the wrong choice, and then how does that affect how you make your next choice?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
so I end up so
yes, to never make big choices. Yeah, big
never
decisions.
ready. Power plus the batteries got 10 Yeah, so. Yeah, no, go wing. Do your best at winging it, even though I don't think you actually are really
winging it every day.
It might feel like it when it comes to certain things, but yeah, wahlala phansi wazibuza. And I think at the end of the day, that was the question. Well, the question was, am I willing?
Yeah.
The question was, am I willing?
Yeah.
So going back to that first comment, the question was, am I willing?
Am I willing to give it a try? Yes.
Yeah,
am
absolutely.
I ready? No.
100%.
But I'm willing to try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, shout out for
that.
Absolutely.
Tandiswa 06 Uti, I love the topic of getting ready. I've been procrastinating.
Sorry. Intrusive thoughts. Abantu benzo get ready with me. Super bengekho ready.
But they are willing to be ready.
Love it.
I've been procrastinating an entire day, and this was the last video I was watching on YouTube. It gave me energy and the right mindset to actually do the things I had planned for the day. Breaking down the meaning of being ready really helped. Thank you. Oh, cool. That's awesome.
Yeah, I think it was really helpful. It was really helpful for me as well. In terms of really knowing where to put certain things in my mind. Because now I was a victim of that to myself. Then you get nothing done, man. This is the only thing. So glad that you picked up something, Thandi.
Yeah, because that not ready box is big. It can take everything.
Up until you're not going anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, love that. That's super
glad
excellent.
We could help Tandiswa.
Yes. Atenkosi Lamani, uthi the reason uThalita khange ayithande this time, delivery yakhe. It was not funny this time. Jani benlacha nje.
Bungalachi.
No. But andla ngolacha nje na anytime. Anlache.
Okay, just keep reading.
Hey, mange, they explain Buddha. I think the important thing to learn here is when someone is offended by something, you apologize. Noba ucingba bekungafanelanga uba abe offended.
Zikhuphe.
Oh, iko yam ndiyithanda kangaka.
Ikhuphe ishiye emnyango iko yakho because otherwise uzaba
sengxakini Buddha.
Abantu bathandayo.
Uzaba sengxakini abantu bathandayo bakhathaleleyo ongaske ungabakhathazi. So Atenkosi, thank you for that. I think Inansika comment ka Imange. Also, that last paragraph speaks to that. Number one, but hey, it's tricky, man. The first part of the paragraph is the tricky part for me because you also find sometimes that something can happen just exactly how it happens.
Namhlanje ikhona into engekho right. Yeah. Exactly.
Namhlanje ikhona into mhlambi kuwe the offended person, there's something. And yani sometimes when media kwazi ushake lost, but lost or not lost, if uyambona offended person who offended, then you still have a chance at redemption.
Yeah.
Yabo angabe behambe ngegrudge because it can still be fixed at that point because you see it. Sustana. Whoa.
Fana kazubuzwa ndim ba utheni.
Problem also siyafunda uba imele into yakho yayiva ke. And I'm not a horrible person, and I know I'm not a horrible person. Why would you think that I'm a horrible person? Because you getting offended is that you think I'm a horrible person.
No, me being offended is because I think what you said hurt me. I know you're not a horrible person.
Okay.
But you're capable of saying things that hurt me.
Sukumba, okay?
Excuse me. Dihati.
Icho ide handiheti sukumba. Ithi ndiheti sukumba. Xa uqumba, you understand about uqumba kwakho ne? Kuwi again uyanixhokonxa. Ngalento bandikuhethile nawe ufuna undivisa kabi so uzathini you're gonna pull back a certain part of you. Umbele. No, that's romantic.
Yes.
Anyway, the only time someone will actually say that to me, it's usually but sukumba. You understand about ukumba, payback. I want to make you feel something by holding back parts of myself.
Yes.
Ooh. Kumba.
I'm holding back parts of myself because when I put myself out there, we are the hater.
Can mistake once. Guys. No, I'm just literally saying it as I'm thinking about it in my head. Uba ndikuvise kabuhlungu, ne?
Zange ngiqumbe nje nami.
But nakuba ukhathazekile nje bhuda.
Ndakhathazeka.
Why rock la moment? You rocked the moment. And I came to myself and I understood. But once I watched the episode, then I was like, okay. You know what I mean? But
I didn't disengage.
Cut the cameras. I want to make a drama. Oh.
Maybe I should start.
Start what?
Drama.
Okay. Can I start? But is that what we say?
What?
Ugumba.
Look, you're allowed to buy ukumba, ne? But don't hold it as a weapon. Because sometimes the person who has offended you does not know that they have offended you. So, that solves nothing. But if I've been offended, now I'm giving you a chance to fix it instead of just putting a wall up, which solves nothing.
Fair, yes, 100%.
So I think ukumba only after you've actually discussed it, doesn't care about it, then you're allowed ba ukumbeke. But that's because you've made a concerted effort to have your feelings known.
100%. Whoa, what a duty on all of us.
Oh, every day.
This is the thing. We must remember that when you are admitting by phone in the upset, yesterday, yeah, no, that's quite something. Yo, life namhlanje.
Uti ululu. Likalakala. I really appreciate how you both appreciate each other.
I got bad with.
The apology and the recognition of one's feelings is especially important and a great act of love. It's love in action and love in acceptance of all our beautiful differences. Your relationship is admirable and beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lulu. Thank you, Lulu. We appreciate it. Hi guys, but it was difficult to think about, to process that thing in my head. I apologize. It was so difficult.
And you could have gotten away without it also, because I wouldn't have thought about it again.
Oh, Madlamini. It was so difficult, bruh.
Why?
Wow, funny, because I'm just like, yeah, Gogo, like, ngathi ndiyenze lento, now ngathi ndingumntombi. Oh, it's gonna be so difficult to. Why is it difficult to say to someone, Chana, I think ndikumoshile, eskis? Why is it also so difficult?
It's difficult because you didn't do it intentionally.
100%, but again, you think you did it. Why inzima? Yo, Xolo. Oh, son. Oh.
I'm filming teeny.
Yeah, but and but I wonder. I had the time, like when I saw that video to when I eventually got to the studio and literally to a split second before when it's fine, I'm ready. But the second my mouth started moving in that direction, go ham. Usatan akasifuna usibene into nice, bros.
Leave Satan out of it.
No.
It is you. It is you. When's Satana in that event? Yo, guys, you guys give Satana too much power, man.
Bring her on fair.
No.
Hayi, uqibile. Because akanamandla.
Exactly. Now you're going to say
no, indoda endala enxiba short.
Always in the short. All right, let's see the next one.
Oh yeah. Oh. I'm going through it again.
I know. Even though it's hard.
I'm going through those feelings that I felt, bruh. And they were all so not worth it, man. Anyways,
sorry.
Aviwe Mnikina, uti I'm not ready is second nature to me. I do think, however, there were times I could have taken the leap if I had thought about it in the way Damswaiko put it. Am I willing? Am I capable? Because sometimes the willingness would be there, but I'm doubting my capability.
You missed the whole sentence.
Huh?
Am I willing? Am I capable?
and do I have the intention to follow through? Willingness, capability, intention to follow through. But sometimes the willingness would be there, but I am doubting my capability, which is something in some instances I could have acquired along the way. So lilonke bendifuna kodwa bendingazithembi ukuba it's within my scope of capabilities. It's not always andifuni. Fair. And I think what we discussed in that episode is that there's 3 conditions that need to be met. Yabo?
Yeah.
And get capability yakho. You thinking or feeling that you are capable is not always the best indicator of whether you are.
No.
So that's something that we also need to sit and kind of think about. Whether or not you think you're capable, that's not a good indicator of whether or not you are capable.
No, not at all. Because sometimes the strength for your capabilities comes in the thing.
Absolutely.
Not before.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You are capable of way much more than we are all capable of way more than we think we are. And this is the thing. But obviously, I'm not talking in terms of Mhlambi, if Mhlambi fly a Cape Town, Fendi pilot, then no, to replace. Ne? But I'm just talking about other things. As in the guy life in. Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
Because we know you are not capable of flying a plane. So on the ground.
Don't do that. But everything else is fair. Fair. We are capable more than we can ever imagine, guys.
100%.
That's one thing. So I think for me, it's like really those 3 conditions. And also seeing them through the right lens, because seeing something through the wrong lens, and for example, that could easily be misconstrued like capability, can hurt us more than it can make us feel better or be better.
Thanks, Aviwe.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yolisa Mayaba, hey girl, hey.
What's up?
Uti, hura. Andisithi andikho ready. Sundibuza if I'm willing. Andina tools, andikho willing, andinazo nezo intention in this very moment, yabo. So linda kumbrazo. Izobuyela kuwe.
Whoa!
I would be more upset if you asked me about willingness after I just said andikho ready.
Throughout.
My unreadiness is based on a couple of factors which we will not be able to unpack in this very moment. You can hold me accountable next week, but right now, I can't give you an answer. P.S. Kumnandi, when your cousins have a podcast, you can get a shout out here and there. Cute.
Yoli.
Yoli. Shouty Buddha.
Shouty Buddha, no. Kwedini. Fondini. Zotini. So, Manikubuze next week when you're ready to be accountable. You can hold me accountable next week is the sentence for me. It's an accountability piece, guys.
I understand what she's saying though. Like, if I'm saying I'm not ready, when Wusiti, are you willing? Hey, Yamba, Apa.
Utmantini, what are you giving me? You're giving me nothing.
Yes.
Wow.
Such is life, bro.
Okay, sure. I'm ready to ever do anything. But funny. And correct, yeah, Bobu most I correct, right. And it. Hi, funny, life no bu ina ete.
Yeah, no, it's too much.
Oh, Yoli, my baby.
Oh, Yoli.
Oh. But ke virus swako. Not go ready to understand.
Pura brazo.
Yeah, no, Ash, it's not easy, man.
Thanks for that, Yoli.
Yeah.
I totally get it as well, because being accountable when you're not ready is not the easiest thing.
Sure.
Because now, most of the times, awuzazi why you're not ready. You have not even investigated that part of you. So awuzazi nobu willing, awuzazi. Ngoku xa uzobuzwa ngulaa mntu ukumoshileyo okanye mbubuzo omnye umntu bras buza.
And ayibuhlungwanga into ukuthi andiyazi.
And that's a valid answer also when it's true. I don't know.
Yitsho. Uyakwazi ungazi yitsho. Ibuhlungu yonke into ethetha ngayo namhlanje. This is a very painful episode. Ella on the World Wide Web, uthi, some people have a glass of wine at the end of a hectic day. Then a day will come where the wine just doesn't kick in, where the Elegex doesn't give you instant sleep. This is the perfect ground for exploring something stronger and better. Addiction doesn't have its type of people. Oof. Anyone can become an addict under the right pressure. Oh, yeah. When we think of addicts, we think of cheap drugs, young people with big problems. We forget that on a daily we are attended to by working professionals who are high on drugs in order to function. Let that sink in. Facts. Facts.
Yeah, and this is the thing. It's cheap drugs, but they are the drugs that you can buy over the counter.
Absolutely.
Where umdu can be addicted to.
Sleeping pill. Oh no. And addiction, I think for me, it then changes the definition of addiction then to not only limited to drugs, but to anything that you feel like you can't do without.
Yeah, people are addicted to like energy drinks. Function.
Yeah, so anything that you can't function normally without.
Yeah. Coffee.
Yeah, exactly. Is it a drug?
No.
Exactly.
But if someone had to take away your morning coffee, uzaba right?
Uzaba right. And sithi sitsho ngamaxesha fonini ba wo ungantouch non-touch abantu kaphungi. Or I only wake up after.
So, that's dangerous, man. And this is the thing, zipelelwe in your body because your body gets used to it. Now it's not one cup. Now you have to have 3 cups by 12 o'clock.
100%. Or you just have to have 1 cup all the time. Otherwise, I'll be correct.
Yeah, I get so bored with stuff. I don't have routine stuff like that where I'm like, I have to do this before
I'll go addicted to anything. Addicted to life.
I'm addicted to life.
Wow, that was a drug campaign.
That was a drug campaign. It was.
I don't do drugs. Yes. Hey, izamile mani media yethu ngokusasikula.
Nje bingasizami ngoku.
Hayi ngoku son kumele senze iposter fonini mina nemncinci. Disesikolweni. Don't litter on your school grounds. If you do, you are a fool.
Don't be a drip. Save every drop.
Nangam. That's so hectic, man.
Okay, uthi ulwa.
Ala wrong the first 2 words.
Uthi andiko ready to start running, hence I avoid watching Jump on the Run. My chat is, I know it will force me to face my slothfulness or excuses. Calling things what they are just helps you navigate better. Oof. I'm gentle with myself, kule, because I know kwezinye the luxury of being lax.
Hey.
And bro, and you can't hide from yourself. This is another thing. I'm doing this because ndifuna lax.
Sure.
You can't hide that from yourself. You could hide it from us, but I see that you have to sleep with those thoughts in our head.
Yeah.
And how does that make you feel about yourself? And then how, in turn, does that affect other stuff that you want to do and feel like, oh, I got not namhlanje. Oh, I andiziva and then it kind of just, it's a domino effect onto other things in your life,
correct.
Not just
and
the
other
running.
People in your life.
And, it's a dangerous place to be in, and we all know that because we've seen it. But I feel like sometimes we need to just get reminded.
Yeah.
And
also I think a term that sticks out there for me is I'm gentle with myself. And how I think that sometimes we think we are being gentle with ourselves, but we're just doing ourselves a disservice. This is and it's gentle now, but it's hurting you
later.
It's hurting future you. Actually.
Yeah.
And we hide behind that.
There's nothing wrong with being gentle with yourself, but you've big also.
Because you can't gentle all right, you can't gentle right.
Then how do you differentiate between lu right and lu right?
I think this is just off the cuff. How that gentleness is benefiting future you.
That's the secondary question.
Can be a question. Let gentle. Sure, I'm being gentle with myself. Imnceda njani umzubhela next year? Or imnceda njani umzubhela lo maybe that I've even gotten to a point of deciding mandifuna uba nguye. Imnceda njani yena? Then the answer is going to be it's either yanginceda okanye imncedi.
It's going to inform if that gentleness is necessary in that space or not. Yeah.
Or right or not.
Boring.
Hey, me bro. Sana lama sidlala games with sibling driver.
Singa solo kasi solving life problems.
But this is the thing. Why not focus on the thing that we're in the middle of?
Oh yeah, true. Because we are easily distracted from the thing that we are in.
Absolutely, and it's not Londole. Some really deep thinking stuff. Thank you for that.
Thanks, Lwa.
Ungasi uti 3603.
I love these. How do you guys do it?
Apparently there's a button somewhere. Kwacho kwavela enye economic indicator bethuna.
Read.
Gasi yanchikela. Utamzubela unefoni yesongwayo. Inene silele mawethu. On that note, nithanda nonke emakhaya. Nithanda nonke mawethu. Masiphaphameni bobling nathi sizoba ne-goldfish ezifotwa ngefoni zethu ezivalwa kanje.
That's so funny. Those hands are so cute. Okay, silengasi.
Engafuna ukutsho mina ngokwami ayikho acceptable tyani to tyani loo leyo. Bawuthi kwenye ityani igezile because usitsho wena.
And Sana, every episode I drop a
Nindoni nijayo.
Yeah, we're actually and
Hayi papa mani ke bayapaphamisa. Ikuzengasi. Hayi zanleqisa ngoSARS wena.
Oh, speaking of SARS.
Sekunjalo. Okay.
Uthi Asilove 03 Kandi Peleshet mid sentences. So sibling coded. I love it. Made me laugh so hard. But gaske ndimlume sister wam when she does it to me. Ngoba uzoyiba ndiyamazi to a point I buy 2 of the same thing now to avoid it. She's older, mind you. Sulila.
Abakwazi uthenga ke older. I'm sure akayenzi yena lo nto. Older nezi. Yo son. Wow.
All
the siblings, bro. Oh. Whack. Actually.
Excuse me.
No.
I'm sitting right.
No, because and I don't know because I need you will bra ungayenza lento.
Baby John.
Leba uthenge 2.
Yeah, funny. What if I now ngiyachamla ngithenga 2 usithi hayi into ngokule.
Then then you must know me. Older siblings namakhwenkwe. Oh. That's sabathanda shem. Hayi sabathanda. Because and isekunikile ke asi akuxelela qho xa winxibile.
Zuko, who are you talking about?
Fanini. Life.
Talking about
life. I'm here representing the masses.
Because I know you ain't talking about me, that's for sure.
Fanini ukwawela kuli la shirt ndandicela bomondi iphe yona wathini?
13.
Dinayo one nick. Andinayo. Ezinye izinto ndacela hayi awunothanda abantu ayifumana phi. I don't care.
Awunothanda for ndiphe oyam ngokundiphe wena.
Ngoba why ndingazethanda?
Uzothi
iyafana mhlawumbe bandidriftile loo nto leyo. Nalaa mntu mhlawumbe wayeyi-oyi yomntu. That's the problem.
Okay, let's move on.
I look forward to asking you for something.
Oh my gosh. Uthi kaloku ndicela xa ndinxibile ndithi ndikhulule.
Do you know that there's a word for that?
What?
Kuthiwa kukombulela.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, what's the practicality of it? You're saying, oh, this is a nice shirt. Ndithi ke ngoku. Ndihambe ndigodke ndiyoyivasa and then the next time phinde ndibuye nayo. I'm not thinking about that in my day, Baba.
Maybe you should though.
Oh my gosh. Right. Abi Dadas says we think drugs are a teenage thing. I know adults who got into drugs. Celebezo bazichrot man.
Life.
Remember, we are older now. People are offering heroin to people to make them feel better. Once you touch that, it's late. That's crazy. If someone offered me heroin, I'd be so upset.
Usually people don't get offered heroin.
What happened?
You are often enforced on you.
What do you mean?
Like, kidnapped,
oh, yes.
Or whatever. So, yeah, usually with certain things also, it's not always a nansika. Awulindo ba uze uyi-customer uzayicela wenza uyi-customer ngengane.
True.
And I think when
Ubi?
That us. Uba. Yeah, no, absolutely. And I think we spoke about it a little bit earlier to say ayondo inyan, ayondo ye nazik. Yeah, teenagers.
No.
It's not a teenage thing because adults are, and I think also just to add on the comment that was earlier, drugs are not just things that are sold illegally on the street. It can be anything. So yeah. But also it's so crazy how heroin has got that rep everywhere. Where now I'm finding the cool in the house for about one bite. One bite in your hook.
And then kube kwaba bantu who are like, oh, one bite kandive.
Into apho khule uxelelwa ba after uyibethe kayi-1 ayisafunwa nguwe ngoyifuna umzimba.
Exactly, but you know how many people know that and have tried it. Becinga babona bazoba zingqesta ze drugs.
Is it because umuntu uzaba ungqesta kwaye okay, it's fine. I was about to say but there are problems are that big but no problem is too big.
No.
No problem is that big. No problem is so big that it says ruin your life.
Exactly.
That the way to solve that problem is to ruin your life. There's no problem that big. There's no problem that's that big. Umbotsanyane uthi mputsanyane mputsi.
Yes, but mbuze kancinci.
Sleeping to take the edge off is so valid. I'm married with 2 kids and I sleep to take the edge off.
Fair. For real.
I fair ndangam. Because it's either you sleep or you go to jail.
Exactly. Dog.
Because you're harming no one.
Exactly. Because angaqhwatshwa ile do something angaqhwatshwa.
Yeah, ibona ke lonto leyo when you take it to a hot shower. but yeah, no fair. It's harmless. I agree 100%.
But you had said, the thing is you had said, what are we kids? Why are we sleeping?
Absolutely. And then you said, no, rather that or yabo lale ngapha kwesishixo baliwe. So yeah, no. Now I've since changed my position on sleeping. See what I did there? And yeah, sleeping is not so bad as long as you wake up and you deal with it also, because and you don't face the problem. Remember, because we're having the same chat about drugs, to say each drug is you don't have to feel a certain thing, don't have to deal with a certain thing. So sleeping I guess can be bad if it's excessive.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, Londole.
Marvelous says, I work at a rehab and Matali, anyone can be affected by addiction. The main known factors are genetics, environment, and underlying mental health conditions. People that are stressed and feel overwhelmed by the responsibilities tend to take stimulants, and ABBA that go through depression want numbing drugs sometimes, dacha. And please, not that dacha is decriminalized in SA, but it's a crime if underage kids are busy with it, and it's just as bad as alcohol, heroin, cocaine, etc. Please have someone on one of the Bling shows, because people are still a bit unaware of substance use disorders. Love Utazuko for apologizing. Fair. I feel like we all have just certain ways of thinking about addiction and about drugs and stuff, and I feel like it's all very hard and a little far removed from our lives. Where you're just like, drugs and but there's so many factors, as you said, many factors like genetics. I mean, that's crazy. Also, Umtu could have had a drug addict parent, and then yena touches a drug guy one, and then it's tickets for them. You know what I mean? Your environment, obviously, and mental health conditions, that's a lot.
Sure.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, we will definitely think about talking to someone further about it in a way that is closer to home than Sibona Mapara on the streets.
Ufundini, and I think kwalondo leyo fundini ba. You ever think about it sometimes, Uguti? Yes, sure, when umazi laa mntu, but ukhona umuntu omaziyo laa mntu. And I get so touched by eza show fondini umuntu obesithi uba kwi-brother yam le, okanye ngumntana yam lo, or whatever the case may be. Yabo? And it just, it's a deep thing. It's easy to watch izinto ubone uba Bongi, how are you? And it's funny, but it's actually not funny. Like abantu basezimokweni, bro.
Yeah, umama kaBongi bemazi uBongi before that.
Efondini.
And ngoku xakekene naye. Xakekene naye.
Yeah, xakene naye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Uxakene naye nakazazi how she got there. And it's sad for her because uphelelwe imithandazo, kukungxolisa, uphelelwe ngamacebo. That's crazy. Yeah.
Excuse me. You often fall asleep. The more you love someone, you feel sleepy around them.
This is the first time that has happened. I think this is the last one.
Uchwayita Tyasi uthi this yongabi ready indichaphakele when it comes to career or school. For example, last month I started looking for an institution to enroll for a certain course. Ndaphinda ndaziva kungakapheli neveki uba andikho ready for ubuyela esikolweni. During autumn graduations, I graduated for a certain course. As much as I apply, but ndimane ndiziva uba andikho ready to start a new career. Question is, what am I doing to feel ready? Do I want to be ready for? Yeah, that's how Babuso would do. But it's not make sure. It's not make sure.
And I'm glad you're asking yourself those questions.
What hard questions to ask yourself.
Yeah, for sure.
What hard questions to ask yourself, but also what loving questions to ask yourself. It's such a high form of self-love to be able to hold yourself accountable and ask yourself the difficult questions, man. Yeah. Questions that other people you might have answers for. But when I sakho xa unqenqe pha kwebhedini uyayazi nyazo. Hey. Chwayita. Son.
I hope you are able to answer those questions as well for yourself and answer them honestly as well.
Yeah.
I think that's a very important thing because we can trick ourselves by giving smart answers to questions we ask ourselves. But are we being honest? That's the thing.
No, absolutely. I agree. And yeah, guys, I think thank you for being willing for yourselves to step into that and to step into kind of that self-checking and sharing so much of that with us as well. I think it's definitely thought-provoking for us, and it also definitely helps us to be able to self-check and hopefully also be able to self-correct. So that's powerful. That's super powerful.
Yeah, guys, thanks so much for your comments. They're always so revealing of firstly who you guys are and the intentions that you guys have of making yourselves better, which is amazing. And I'm glad that we can be catalysts for those thoughts and those questions that you have for yourselves. I mean, it happens for us too.
Definitely.
But I'm glad that us sharing can make it happen for you guys too. We really appreciate how safe you guys feel in this community in order for you guys banitete so openly about this window that you're going through. It makes me feel warm inside for sure.
No, absolutely. And I think, let me just check the time. Okay. Yeah, no, I think it's
economic indicators. Alive. Yes, I hope we bone enye namhlanje. Tell us next week.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us. And you know what it is. Up until next time.
We'll see you next time, bye.
Absolutely. We're not even on some love each other. Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself. Because you can't love anyone more than you love yourself. So, okay.
Amen.
Level. Uzawuthanda laa mntu ngale ndlela othanda ngayo. Ndathanda umuntu ngolo. Yeah, uyaphosisa umuntu othi zange ndathanda umuntu ngolu hlobo before. Because if ebezithanda lo muntu lo ukhe wamthanda umuntu ngolahlo
akathethi ngaye kaloku uthetha ngabanye abantu
kutheni ngathethi ngaye kutheni ngekho yena kule sentence thina ngazibali yena
because akathanda lo hlobo
hi guys
please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling Line.